Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a very easy and comforting recipe for a quick dinner night and for when you just don't feel like cooking. We are preparing pulled pork tacos, which everyone in your family will enjoy, I promise. To start off, we need to prepare the pickles. Firstly, we need to slice finely the red onion. Then, in a small saucepan, bring the vinegar, sugar, and salt to a simmer. Add the chopped red onion and turn off the heat. Let it set aside to completely cool down. In the meantime, slice the red cabbage using a mandolin or cut it very finely with a knife. When it comes to the tortillas, you can use either store-bought tortillas for tacos, or you can just shape them as I did with whatever you have at hand. And as such, you can also decide on how big you want them to be. Then you would also want to roughly crush the peanuts. Brown the tortillas in a hot pan for 30 seconds on each side or directly over the flame if you are using gas. While they are still warm, shape them as shown in this video. Then top the tortillas with a tablespoon of shredded pork, a spoonful of red cabbage, and pickled onions. Sprinkle with cilantro and peanuts and serve with lime wedges. I didn't have cilantro at hand, so I used parsley, but the cilantro might give even a richer flavor to it. Also, feel free to add much more pulled pork for even a juicier and fuller tacos, because frankly speaking, I regret not having done so. I just really wanted to have more. When it is done, sprinkle over with some lime juice for more flavor and contrast. Just look how colorful and inviting are they. You'll find the full recipe in the description for your ease. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.